Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The euro rose 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Californians further soured on Tesla in the first quarter, pulling down the electric vehicle maker's registrations by 15% as backlash against Elon Musk's company intensified in the state that has embraced EVs most across the United States. The dollar resumed its fall, with both safe havens and risk-sensitive currencies outperforming the greenback, as traders waited to see if US President Donald Trump's administration reaches new trading agreements with partners. Asset manager Bitwise has listed 4 Bitcoin exchange-traded products on the London Stock Exchange. The listings include the Bitwise Core Bitcoin ETP, the Bitwise Physical Bitcoin ETP, Bitwise's Physical Ethereum ETP, and the Bitwise Ethereum Staking ETP.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's employment change will be released at 1:30 GMT. The US housing starts at 12:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. Germany's Producer Price Index at 6 GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.